coming in, and that's going to bring in some warm and mild air for today. However, it's not going to be a very pleasant day. I know so many of you are going to spend the day outside today going to cheer on the Wolverines. Well, you can expect showers and storms to get you up to the game, and then there's going to be a break in the afternoon. Now, all indications show that at about noontime, that break might not be happening quite yet, but shortly after that, temperatures are going to be more summer-like than fall-like, but the showers and storms will return anytime after, say, 3:30 or 4 o'clock. So hopefully U of M plays quickly. And Michigan State, don't forget, you're under the same problems today. Damp, wet. You're not going to be quite as warm as the Ann Arbor game. However, the chance of showers and storms is throughout the daytime, and you get that break from about noon till about 3. So it's going to be a really tricky forecast. So go with your rain gear on and you'll be absolutely fine. But in the meantime, taking a nice break right now. Metro Detroit, most reporting stations, dry but foggy. So it's going to take you a little bit of time to get around town. You got to watch out because what came through overnight at about 4 a.m. left anywhere from a quarter inch of rain, which wasn't that bad, up to an inch of rain. So some of the roads are having a problem dealing with that, some ponding and flooding out there. But for right now, we're doing okay. This is our next batch of rain that's going to come through town. A little more spotty than what we saw at 4 o'clock, but it contains some heavy downpours as well. If you live in Monroe, about 6:54, Ann Arbor, expect this to come your way at about 7:10. In the meantime, as this warm front lifts and pushes out the first couple of rounds of showers and storms out of the way, temperatures are going to warm. Then the next front comes in for this afternoon, and that's going to bring cooler temperatures for tomorrow. But before it gets here, we get more showers and storms to deal with. We don't really get a break today. The break is right now, and we get a break from about noon till about 2, 3, 4 in the afternoon. So definitely a tricky forecast ahead. Today, you can expect temperatures to get to the low 80s. That humidity's already returning out there. That damp conditions, the wet roads, everything's going to kind of linger all day today. Tomorrow, we start off with rain showers around and we get rid of the rain showers after, say, noontime, but temperatures only up to about 70 degrees. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, if you like that sticky weather, that summer-like feel, no, you're still going to need your air conditioners this week. Look at this. We just can't get away from it. Matter of fact, even through Wednesday, we stay on the muggy side and on the humid side. Next dry day comes in as Wednesday, and if you want that cool fall-like flavor, well, you need to look at Friday, 62.